This is Chiles en nogada, a decadent dish with an even richer backstory. Can you believe the first one was made almost 200 years ago to celebrate Mexico's independence? Today we're gonna take a closer look at the dish and the holiday it honors. And then, babe, you know we can't leave you without a special Cazadores drink to celebrate, okay? We're gonna make that a little bit later. But right now we're gonna talk about Mexican Independence Day. Cinco de Mayo is not Mexican Independence Day. I know, right? It's actually September 16th, and it's on the eve of this date in 1810 that a priest named Miguel Hidalgo rallied the people of the city of Dolores to revolt. Yes, fight. Okay, now let's flash forward to late August of 1821. Respected military commander Agustin de Iturbide made his way to the town of Veracruz to sign the Treaty of Cordoba. This was the first official step toward granting Mexico its independence after 300 years of Spanish rule. We were done. After signing, he made his way to Mexico City, stopping first in the city of Puebla. It's here that many believe, including my abuelita, that the first chiles en nogada was made. We're heading to La Casita Mexicana to see how chefs Jaime and Ramiro prepare this dish.
It's very Mexican, and also that it has the colors of the Mexican flag. Green chile, white cream sauce, and the red of the pomegranates. You cook the meat.
We just ground pork and onion, garlic.
You add the dry fruits and the fresh fruits.
And one of the main ingredients is called biznaga. It's like cactus candy fruit.
The seasonings like salt, pepper, cinnamon, clove.
It's not gonna be a really authentic chile en nogada without a chile poblano. What is called poblano chile? Because it comes from the state of Puebla.
The chile poblano is charred and peeled to enhance its flavor and also to remove the skin.
You had to use Mexican crema or Mexican cream.
The taste of Mexican cream is so different as opposed to the sour cream. Mexican cream, it's like creme fraiche. No, the best way, in my opinion, to enjoy a chile en nogada, it's with a very good tequila, like Cazadores.
This deconstructed patriotic cocktail is served in 3 separate shot glasses. One with lime juice, one filled with tequila Cazadores reposado, and the last with sangrita. The basic recipe combines tomato juice, orange juice, lime juice, and hot sauce. But you can get creative with additions like clamato, horseradish, tajin, and sugar. Enjoy the Cazadores bandera by sipping all 3 shots slowly. Like, you gotta let that tequila get in your soul.
The beautiful combination, flag with flag. Green, white, and red, green, white, and red.
It's like when you eat all the flavors and you eat everything together, it's like I feel our pride. It's so cool to see the colors of the Mexican flag used in a creative and tasty way. Chiles en nogada and the Cazadores bandera are the perfect pairing for a delicious and authentic Mexican Independence Day meal. Salud!